Impress my boss today.
What time will he be here? Well, when is he coming?
He's not gonna be able to make it.
You don't send replacements for Easter.
And I need you to do something important.
I said no, Billy.
Coming!
So is it just us three, or?
I'm a good investment.
You know us millennials always saying crazy things. You're gonna scare Billy off. You have to be more subtle.
Yeah, they said to show up at this address today.
Sometimes I have to deal with a bad stigma.
You work for pharmaceutical?
It's about having a backbone, Billy.
Now, do you want me or your current business partner?
It's about honoring your wife.
Oh, that pay no good?